Microsoft. The new workshops are specifically created for university professors who teach technology-focused courses, provides a chance to collaborate with other educators to learn the best modern-day teaching practices. The first cohort of 23 educators drawn from both private and public universities has started the training, which will run for 3 months.
The program will collaborate with engineers from the Microsoft Africa Development Center and will help upskill and reskill participants through a curriculum taught by Microsoft LEAP instructors. Along with technical programming and hybrid classroom teaching, educators will also receive training on Microsoft tools that are commonly used in classrooms worldwide. Microsoft IDC Managing Director Catherine Muraga says the course will also expose tutors to advanced topics and allow them to learn and experiment with effective teaching techniques while obtaining essential aspects of carrying out research studies.
Another objective that we have is to partner with the world of academia and also other like-minded industry folk. How do we collectively continue to shorten the digital divide that we have as a country and also as a continent?
The first cohort of 23 educators is drawn from both private and public universities, including Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology JKUAT, Multimedia University and Kirinyaga University.
The objective of this program is try and see how can we help staff members or faculty members be equipped with what is happening in the industry, the skills, what the industry is doing, so that then they can be able to pass that to their students.
Frederick Muki for Prime Edition.
Absa Bank Kenya has secured 1.2